Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever spent hours searching for a winning product thinking you found a gem only to see zero sales? In 2025, competition is tougher than ever and guessing won't cut it. Successful dropshippers use data, trends, and smart strategies to find winning products, and in this video, I will show exactly how to find high demand, high profit products step by step. Stick around because at the end, I'll share a pro tip that can save you hours of research time, so you don't want to miss that part. Let's dive in. What makes a winning product? Before we start searching, let's break down what actually makes a product a winner. First, high demand. It's non-negotiable. Products with a broad audience are simply easier to sell, but demand alone isn't enough. You also need strong profit margins. If the gap between your supplier cost and retail price is too small, you'll struggle to make real money. Next, consider the competition level. Jumping into oversaturated market without a unique angle, a recipe for failure. Instead, aim for products with lower competition or find a way to stand out, whether it's through branding, bundling, or solving a problem better than anyone else. Speaking of problems, that's the golden rule. Winning products solve real pain points or create irresistible buying impulse. Think about it. Products that make life easier, save time, or spark joy are far more likely to convert. By focusing on these factors, you'll not only find products that sell, but also make your marketing efforts way more effective. Keep these factors in mind as we move forward. Researching market trends. Now that you know what makes a winning product, let's talk about how to find them. One of the key points is researching market trends. And one of the best tools to start with is Google Trends. Simply type in keywords related to potential products and you'll see how their popularity has changed over time. Look for upward trends. Products that show consistent growth over several months are more likely to have staying power. But don't stop there. Shopify is another gold mine for spotting trending products in 2025. Their trending categories highlight products that are gaining momentum, giving you a head start into identifying high demand items. For example, in 2025, sustainability is huge. Products like eco-friendly home goods, reusable items, and zero-waste solutions are exploding in popularity. Think compostable phone cases, reusable straws, and energy-efficient appliances. These are all riding the wave of consumer interest in reducing environmental impact. By combining insights from Google Trends and Shopify Trends sections, you can pinpoint products that are not only popular now, but also aligned with where consumer interests are heading. This research will help you narrow down your options and focus on products with the highest potential for success. Spot trends on social media and marketplaces. Once you've gathered insights from Google Trends and Shopify's trending categories, it's time to dig deeper into social media and online marketplaces. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram are great spotting viral products. Search hashtags like TikTok made me buy it or trending products to see what's going viral. If a product is frequently shared or discussed, it's a strong indicator that it's catching the interest of consumers. Another powerful resource is Amazon's bestsellers list. Products that consistently rank high on Amazon indicate strong demand and can help validate whether your product ideas are on track. These products typically show up in a range of categories from tech gadgets to household items, giving you insights into what people are actively purchasing. If you want to save time and skip the deep dive into social media and marketplace trends, Doba can be a huge help. Doba's top ranking section has already curated a list of high potential products, making it much easier for you to find in-demand items. By simply logging into Doba, you can navigate to top ranking tab and browse through categories to discover trending products that align with your niche. Plus, Doba lets you refine that search by filtering products based on sales performance, profit margins, and shipping speed, ensuring that you choose items that have highest potential for success. Validate your product idea. Once you have a product in mind, the next step is to validate it before fully committing. Start by checking reviews or similar products on multiple platforms. Are customers satisfied? Do they have complaints about quality or delivery times? Supplier ratings and reviews on platforms like Doba can help you find trustworthy suppliers who have a track record of delivering high quality products. Then take a look at how competitors are pricing a product. Is there a significant difference between their prices and your target price? You don't want to get into a price war, so it's important to find a price point that's competitive while still allowing a healthy profit margin. Finally, run a small ad campaign with a modest budget to test the product's marketability. See how it performs and whether it resonates with your target audience. If the response is positive, you are on the right track. Finding reliable suppliers. Once you've confirmed that product market potential, the next step is to find trustworthy suppliers. The right supplier affects shipping speed, profit margin, and overall business sustainability. With Doba, sourcing high quality suppliers becomes much easier because the platform thoughtfully vets each supplier to ensure reliability. Filtering for fast shipping suppliers, especially those that are in US warehouses, help reduce delivery times and improve customer satisfaction. Once you have chosen a supplier, you can add products directly to your online store with a single click. And all product details, including images and descriptions, will be automatically imported. How great is that? Test your winning product. With your product and supplier in place, it's time to test your product in the real market. Create a product page that's optimized for conversions. Make sure your product descriptions are clear, your images are high quality, and your pricing is competitive. Next, run targeted ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Start with a small budget and monitor how your ads perform. Track click-through rates, conversion rates, and overall sales to gauge interest in your product. It's important to test before scaling. This way, you can refine your approach and make sure the product is a good fit for your audience. If the test ads are performing well, you can move forward with confidence. Scale your winning product. Once you have validated your products and tested it with successful ads, it's time to scale. This is when you increase your ad spend to reach more people. You can expand to other social media platforms or widen your targeted audience to include more potential customers. Consider offering different products, variations, like additional colors or bundle deals to cater to a broader audience. By diversifying your offering, you increase your chances of appealing to different consumer preferences. As your product gains traction, continue using Doba to find other high-quality products to add to your store. You can quickly expand with your product line without hassle of sourcing new suppliers or worrying about inventory management. To recap, finding a winning dropshipping product in 2025 requires research, validation, and testing, not just luck. If you want to shortcut this process, Doba can help you instantly find trending high-quality products with vetted suppliers. Sign up for Doba today and start building your successful dropshipping business. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on future e-commerce tips. See you next one.